Hey, there's a couple over to the left behind some barrels. They're like behind the barrels, like next to the trailer. Tango down.
I mean, I could YOLO it and go straight push off. Oh, my 12, my 12. That's that building.
Okay.
There's no way
You got eyes on anybody?
Watch out, watch that side. Hit! Good shot, good shot! Yeah, where's he at?
the building.
Okay, I see what building you're talking about. He's ducking, he's moving out, he's moving out. I bet he's gonna pop up behind that fence now. Never mind, he's still in.
We fake being killed so I can just like walk over there and have a shot at.
He's behind the fence over there. On the left. First section of the fence. He's just moving all around. He's gonna like groundhog it. I don't think so. At least I hope not. There's one still in that building, just kind of creeping that corner. I can't get him.
We need to take up the guys that are
This building right here, he's like standing in the corner by that window. I'll just watch out. And then I think there's like one, maybe two people behind the fence in front of it. Hit! So, around this building, they're at the water tanks that are closest to the buildings.
There's also one guy.
Yeah, no, he's creeping
over
that
there.
barrier.
I don't know how the fuck he's lived so long.
I know, right? I think I've hit him, but I don't know. Maybe not. Yeah, as soon as I went to cross and somebody just hit me in the back of the neck. But
Shit stung, dude. I'm almost dry, dude.
yeah, me too.
I'm on my last mag already.
I think they got it.
Okay.
I think. I don't know.
I think so.
Muévate, pendejo.
Hey!
A la verga, güey.
Pulete!
Can you quit speaking Mexican?
I have no idea. Whoa, 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 whoa!
His hand, do it. You got furry
You gotta
lips,
do the
boy.
Is
army
it?
shit.
Is that how it's gonna be?
I'm a fucking.
Well, I'm sorry, but
Can't play speed softball.
I hate to do this in front of you, bro.
Minecraft.
Will you marry me? Hey! Tango down. Tango down.
There's one right there. Hey, you get danger. I'm a
Tango!
Tango down.
You still have that flag?